Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. If you are new to Gmail or simply want to send emails to multiple people at once, learning how to use the CC feature is a great place to start. In just a few quick steps, I'll show you how to include others in your message efficiently. Let's get started right away. First things first, head over to Gmail account and make sure you're logged in. Once you are on the main page, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a compose button near the top, usually marked with a plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new message window in the lower right corner of your screen. At the top of this window, you'll notice a field labeled to. This is where you'll type the email address of your main recipient. Take a moment to double check the address for any typos to avoid sending your message to the wrong person. Now, directly underneath the to field, you'll see a small link labeled CC. Clicking this link will reveal a new field specifically for adding additional recipients. This is where you can type in the email address of the people you want to keep informed, but who aren't the main recipient of the message. This is a great tool when you need to include teammates, supervisors, or collaborators who just need to stay in the loop. Again, be sure to check the spelling of each email address for accuracy. Once you have added all the necessary recipients, it's time to write your email. Enter a clear subject line and compose your message in the body section, keeping it short, informative, and easy to understand. Before sending, take a quick look and review everything from the email addresses to the message content just to make sure you are all set. If everything looks good, simply click Send button located at the bottom of the compose window, and that's it. You have successfully added CC to your Gmail messages, making your communications more transparent and inclusive. Here's a helpful extra. If you ever want to send a copy without showing the recipients to the others, try the BCC option. It works just like the CC but keeps the recipient hidden. Perfect for newsletters or direct discrete update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.